Hey, how you doing, Christian? This is Andrew, and I want to make you this video. Hope things are well with you. I was thinking that I could show you a couple things today. The app I'm working on is still being developed, but it kind of works. So I'm going to give you an example of that first, and then I'm going to show you a way to list with this tool that I use that hopefully will make things sort of more organized, maybe easier, I don't know, but let's try this, okay? So first I'm going to show you the keyword app, and here it is. So it's this little icon up here, and I'll get it over to you. It's a Chrome extension, and so if I click on it, this thing comes up, and then I type in the keyword. So this is like the most basic keyword for the product. The more general you are, you're going to get more results. So if I just put balloon pump, it's going to be more, I'm going to get more results than if I put like the name or the model and then balloon pump. So let's just click search, and the more results, the longer it takes. This one is, I've already done it. It's not that many results, so you'll see how quick it is. And then you just click download, and I actually already did it. You just name it and then open it up in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully you have that. If you don't, you can open it up in something else. But so let's see. Well, I already did that. So let's just cancel, and then I'm going to open up what we get. So this is what I got. So it's name doesn't count, so it's 12 results, right? And then you see the results. So the keyword tool does not show duplicate results. So balloon air pump, or if there's air pump balloon, that's just the same keyword. Okay, so for balloon air pump, we got 1822. And you can see these are pretty good because remember we wanted to be in the lower, under 1,000, at least under 2,000, but under 1,000 even better. So we could use all of these. So let's just check it out. Like if we see, let's just take this one, like electric balloon pump, and let's just test it real quick in eBay. So go to eBay and watch. If I put electric balloon pump, you see how it's in black, so it's actually a real keyword. So I'm just checking the accuracy of this tool right here. We got 830 results, and let's see what the keyword tool told us. 867. So that's almost the same, and it's going to be a little different in every area geographically. Okay, so that's a good thing. And so my point is it's accurate. I already tested this a few times, and it seems to be very accurate. And there we go. So you got your keywords, all of them, and you don't have to do one by one anymore. And that's the first thing. So then I found a product here, and I found it, let's see here. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to just take the link, and here's the other tool now. This is the DSM tool, and let me just sign out here, and I'm going to just log into your account if it lets me. So I built you an account here, and I put it the same address, I mean the same email address and the same password as the Canva. So hopefully you have that. If you don't, I'll get it to you. And we just log in, and we go to the Rapid Lister, and we just paste the link. Now the title is really bad, so we're not gonna, it's gonna take the title from Amazon, but we're not gonna use that title. You know what, let's try something else here. All right, this is okay. So what we're gonna have to do, we don't need. I'm gonna have you work on the title a little bit. So we don't need the name brand. We just want the keywords basically in here, right? So it suggests keywords, right? And some of the suggestions sometimes are pretty bad, but sometimes they're okay. And in this case, they're pretty bad. So we're going to go here. We're just going to start. Let's minimize this a little bit here so we can work side by side here. So if we go like this, we go like this. Oops. See. Okay, I guess that's going to be about the best we can do. Let's see here. Oh yeah, let's do it this way. That's what I wanted to do. So we can make it even a little bit smaller. And we put it like this. Come on. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Move along. Move along. Okay. So we have balloon air pump. We want the word air in there. That'd be good. So balloon air. Okay, of course this disappears. I wish it just would stay where it is. Electric. We want the word electric in there. We have that. Inflator. So let's get, we have that in there. Inflator. Portable. That's good. That Qualitex, that's a brand name. Helium. I'm not sure if it's helium or not. Hand pump. I don't know if this is also a hand pump. I have to go back and look at the product. I know it's electric. So I know we just need to put in what? Portable. So let's try portable. Portable. I'm not sure if that word is spelled right. Inflator. Let's see. Maybe it is. Inflator. Yeah, I guess it is. Okay. So we have all the words. We always want to capitalize the first letter. And we had more space. We have 14 characters left. We always want to fill this to the maximum, or 1 or 2 is okay to be left. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. We go back to the product. Sometimes there's competitors that show up and we can get ideas from the competitors, but this did not show any competitors. So let's see. Let's just go back here. And latex balloon inflator with manual and automatic modes. Okay, air pump for balloons. So let's just click on the product. 2 operation modes. Pump machine, manual, automatic pumping. Okay, so fast, consistent inflation, 2 nozzle sizes, not helium or hydrogen, which are potentially dangerous. So we could put something in there like safe, maybe. Not helium, safer, or safer than helium. You know, I'm just being creative if we have the room. But keywords are the most important right now. So let's just put manual or automatic. I like that. Manual. I'll just put and automatic. Or auto. How about that? And that's it. Manual. I guess that's everything. I would have preferred to put or auto. But that's pretty good because it tells the person it's manual and auto. Okay, so I think that's a good title, very good title to start testing with. Okay, and then the price. Well, here's the thing with this tool right now, you have to actually publish it, and then I have to go in and edit any changes, which I don't like. But it does most of the work for you, which I think you will like, and I like that too. So see how it says publish, but I would prefer that it says save drafts, and I already let them know if they could please come up with that feature for us. It would be better for both of us. So, but you'll be publishing, so you could try to get it as good as you can. It'd be good. So there's no way to save it right now. So item quantity, you could just put 1 or 2 is fine. You can actually just put 1, it's fine. And then these other things, I just want the keywords in here as much as possible, like features, you know, like watch, like manual or automatic. Type, let's see how it gives you a list. So it's a balloon inflator. See how inflator is the keyword and balloon is a keyword? So we just want as many keywords in this section as we can. And you can put a comma and you can add things, so it doesn't have to just be one thing. So watch, if I put balloon inflator and any other things that fit the keywords, not really in this list, but I can put balloon inflator and I can put portable. See how that works? So I got another keyword in there. I can put air inflator. Watch this, air. So I just got another keyword in there. So I'm basically just working with the keywords. Manual or automatic, that's not really a keyword according to this, but it's still a good descriptor. A description, hand pump, automatic or manual. So actually hand would be a good word in there as well, but I could put it in here. Watch. I could put hand manual pump. Or automatic electric. So I got all those keywords in here and I'm describing the item for them. So this section I don't think you even knew about. This is not the description section. It's a different section inside an eBay listing. You could see it in there. And it just describes the item, and the more you use the keywords in here, it's better. So country, just do the best you can with this. See how this is occasions? So you could just put all different kinds of things in there, like birthday, anniversary, wedding, what else? Party, graduation. Anyway, don't take too much time on this. I'm not asking for you to do all of it. I can go in there and add some of the things, but whatever you can do is great. We just want to get the listings up there every day, at least 2 up there. That's my goal here. Okay, you can add more specifics. Let me show you one of those, for example. So, like, I'll give you an example. Okay, watch this. So I'll put safe, safer than. I'll put not helium, not hydrogen, only air. Safer than other balloon pumps. So what I did is I put keywords, I'm sorry. I put keywords, balloon pumps, air, and I also described a new feature, not helium, not hydrogen, so that kind of thing. And it just creates it. So, okay, so I don't know why it, oh, okay, we only need 1. It created 2. So there we go. Or just, I don't need, I'll just put not ignorant, but a safe air pump. But a 100% safe, but 100% safe air pump. So I just wanted to write that a little bit better. Okay, so anyway, we got 1 day. Okay, list duration is always going to be 30 days. You don't have to do anything here. Main images. Okay, here we go with the images and the description. Okay, this is where it gets a little weird. Oh, looks like you can add images now. Okay, that's good. And we can discard images. Okay. Alright, so I really don't want to use these images, I want to do the keyword thing. See, the problem with this is these don't have the keywords and they're coming directly from Amazon, and the way I have been taught is that this isn't the best way to do it with eBay. eBay likes unique images not coming from places like Amazon. And so what we can do is we could just add our own images, and you can drag and drop the files here, and we can just get rid of this. Okay, so how do you do that? You just trash. So images really hasn't changed, right? Same thing. Okay, now this is going to be a little bit better for you, hopefully, because it does most of the work for you here. You don't really have to do too much here, in fact. I'm not going to even ask you to do anything right now. Okay, I'll take care of this part. So you don't, just ignore the descriptions for now, and that's it. And then you just click publish. So you see how that works? Just try to watch this video a couple times so you get the idea, and we'll just go from there. And I'm sure there'll be a few more things. I'll do one more example too. I'm not going to publish this right now because I don't have the images ready. That's why if we save the drafts, it'd be better. But I can't do that yet. And basically that's it. I'll tell you what, this video is getting kind of long, and I'm going to stop, and maybe I'll make another one with another example for you. Okay. Talk to you soon, Christian. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, let's see. Stop. How do I do this?